Welcome to Sunway Medical Centre Velocity. Our hospital is expanding to improve our services to serve our patients. To ensure a smooth journey, follow along as we guide you through our hospital during this period. Our hospital's main entrance and waiting area are now at Tower A. For your convenience, dedicated drop-off and pick-up zones are available at both the main road entrance and garden entrance. For easy access to the lifts or escalator leading to Tower A, we recommend parking using entrance E at Blue Zone Level B2. From Tower A, you can access Tower B via the link walkways at Level 2 and Level 3. Our former main lobby at Tower B will be temporarily closed for renovation. It will become the new Accident and Emergency Department. During this period, you can access Tower B via the side entrance or through the back entrance of our Accident and Emergency Department. For those who need to access to the higher floors of Tower B, you can take the dedicated patient lifts. This will bring you directly to the relevant floor. As we enhance our facilities, we sincerely apologize for any inconvenience caused. Please follow the updated routes and signage for a seamless journey. If you require any assistance, our dedicated staff are ready to assist and ensure your visit is as smooth as possible. Thank you.